Chamath Palihapitiya's massive bet on this one stock, the next Tesla of its pace. Hello everyone and welcome back to Top Money. Chamath Palihapitiya, 34, is a highly successful entrepreneur, and he's the founder and current managing partner of the Social and Capital Partnership, a multi-$100 million venture capital fund. The Social and Capital Partnership is aligned with a number of the world's most influential entrepreneurs in business, finance, and technology, and focuses on investing in highly distributive ideas in healthcare, education, financial services, and the internet. We all know that he's made numerous successful investments, including early investments in Tesla, Amazon, Bitcoin, and Facebook. And now he's claimed that he's found the next stock which is going to be as successful as Tesla in its pace. He said it allegedly has the potential to grow 10 times bigger within 5 years. Today we're going to be talking about Chamath Palihapitiya's massive bet on the stock, which has the potential to become the next Tesla of its field. Make sure you stay until the end because this information is really incredible. Right now, we will give you the information on the company and whether it's the stock to buy today. Don't forget to subscribe to the Top Money channel. Let's get into the topic. So the stocks that Chamath believes have great upside potential in the long term is SoFi, social finance. It would be right to say that SoFi is one of the leaders in the digital banking revolution. The company took the mindset of an online financial world and brought it to the banking space. Moreover, this is a neobank, which means that the company doesn't have to pay for the large infrastructure and maintenance costs that banks have to constantly pay for. In general, neobanks are online-only financial institutions that are similar to banks. The company claims a $2 trillion market cap opportunity. SoFi's goal is to help people get their money right. The products are built around members so that they have the tools they need to take control of their financial futures. The company primarily caters to early-stage professionals and offers variable and fixed-rate parent, personal, and MBA loans, mortgage refinancing, and more. They create modern financial products and services that help people borrow, save, spend, invest, and protect their money better so that they can achieve financial independence and realize their ambitions from owning a home to saving for retirement, paying off their student loans, and more. Our goal is to build a one-stop financial platform, and our diversified products can help us navigate both a high-interest and low-interest environment. SoFi Chief Executive Anthony Noto told Reuters in an interview, adding the company has seen home loan refinancing business and investment products growing fast in the past year. Also, SoFi's Invest users are able to trade stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrency directly on the platform. SoFi Active Investing, a new offering from SoFi Invest, is squarely aimed at young investors with free trades of stocks and exchange-traded funds, the ability to buy and sell cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, and fractional shares of blue-chip companies such as Amazon and Netflix. The self-directed brokerage includes robo-advisor SoFi Automated Investing, an online cash management account SoFi Money, and gives members benefits such as free educational seminars and meetings with financial advisors. SoFi Active Investing has attractive features for new investors: commission-free stocks and ETF trades, no account minimum, free financial counseling, and cutting-edge offerings, including fractional shares in cryptocurrency. Currently, SoFi has 5 different ETFs. TGIF focuses on high-income securities. GIGE focuses on high growth of tech companies. SFY has returned over 83% and follows the S&P 500. SFYX invests in the top 500 mid-cap companies. And SFYF, the fund that invests in the top 50 companies held by users in SoFi Invests. And of course, every successful company needs its leader. SoFi's leader is Anthony Noto, an American businessman, the former chief operating officer of Twitter. Previously, he was a managing director at Goldman Sachs, CFO of the National Football League, chief operating officer of Twitter, and head of Twitter Ventures. Anthony has led the company to double down its mission of helping its over 1 million members get their money right, while fully transitioning the company from a desktop lender to a fully mobile-first full suite of financial services products. Under his leadership, the company has launched 5 new products and numerous innovative features, including SoFi Money, SoFi Invest, SoFi branded ETFs, and fractional shares, in addition to expanding the company's footprint outside of the US with SoFi Hong Kong, while increasing its total capital raise to its most recent valuation of $4.8 billion. Doesn't he remind you of the greatest leaders like Jeff Bezos or Elon Musk? It looks like SoFi has a really bright future with such a wonderful CEO, and it explains why Chamath Palihapitiya sees the power in this company. The main thing which actually makes the company different among others is that SoFi sees its competitive advantage in having fast services, broad selection of services, content, convenience, and social network. In addition, in 2021, SoFi expects its members to exceed 3 million users, which is a serious number of people in a short period of time. Plus, it's seen a growth rate of 75% year over year. SoFi's innovative, member-first platform has demystified financial services for millions of Americans and simplified the process for those looking to apply for loans, invest their money, obtain insurance, and refinance their debt, among many other tasks that were previously arcane and needlessly complicated. Chamath Palihapitiya explained. Online leading startup Social Finance, SoFi, has a deal to go public through a merger with social capital SoFi Holdings Corp V, a blank check acquisition company led by venture capital investor Chamath Palihapitiya. As part of the deal, SoFi received $805 million raised by Social Capital at its initial public offering in October, as well as $1.2 billion of commitments from investors such as BlackRock, hedge fund management, Fidelity, and Mr. Palihapitiya himself. SoFi grew quickly in the aftermath of the financial crisis, tapping into a growing market of college graduates seeking to refinance their student loans before expanding other financial products. Palihapitiya told CNBC that he systematically tried to future out what was broken in banking and concluded that SoFi was the top of the list when he looked across all the companies that could deliver the solution that potential customers wanted. SoFi had planned to go public through a traditional initial public offering IPO in 2021 after raising money in a private round, but chose the SPAC route because it preferred the deal certainty and the ability to make projections and talks with investors, Noto said. Chamath Palihapitiya has taken 3 other companies public via SPAC. On October 28, 2019, he used the SPAC to take commercial space flight provider Virgin Galactic Holdings public. Its shares are up about 150% since then. He did the same for SoftBank-backed real estate platform Open Door Labs on December 20, 2020, up about 7% since. And on January 7th, he took Clover Health public. The stock popped 10%. So will SoFi rise in growth as well. For now, when talking about the company's valuation, it's important to say that SoFi is at $10 a share and valued at $8.7 billion. Does this value reflect all of SoFi's future growth potential, or should investors buy when the deal goes through? Given the size of the market opportunity, the strength of CEO Anthony Noto, and the financial forecast provided by the special purpose acquisition company SPAC that will take it public, it's possible that SoFi's value will keep rising. The markets that SoFi targets are quite large, representing trillions worth of opportunity. Palihapitiya's decision to merge with SoFi was based on his conclusion that it was well-positioned to grow. He said that SoFi could meet the needs of mobile-first consumers and lower the cost of banking through technology, according to CNBC. He also thinks that SoFi is going to do in banking what Amazon had done in retail. Chamath Palihapitiya has high hopes for SoFi's growth, according to an SEC filing, which trumpets double-digit growth expectations in rising cash flow. For example, it is expected that loan volume, up at a 25% compound annual rate from an estimated $9.6 billion in 2020 to a forecast $42.1 billion in 2025. And also, it adjusted net revenue up is possible, at a 43% compound annual rate from an estimated $621 million in 2020 to a forecast $3.7 billion in 2025. If Noto can report faster than expected growth each quarter and raise the guidance SoFi provides analysis, then it is expected its publicly traded shares will keep rising. Moreover, Chamath Palihapitiya isn't the only one who believes in SoFi. The company is also highlighted by Cathie Wood, who's a real professional and predicted the huge growth of Tesla when no one else believed her. There are many risks that could keep that from happening, but based on the information we have today, it's very possible for SoFi to manage them. And it seems like Chamath Palihapitiya also believes that SoFi is about to grow to become a huge powerhouse company just like Amazon. What do you think about Palihapitiya's massive bet on SoFi? Do you believe that this stock could become the next Tesla or Amazon of its pace? Let me know in the comment section below, and while you're here, don't forget to check out these other great videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.